In a major regulatory move, district authorities this morning launched an eviction drive against unlicensed street vendors operating in the Khyndailad and Police Bazaar areas. The action specifically targeted vendors without a valid certificate of vending or COV, which is issued by the Shillong Municipal Board. The operation commenced at around 9 in the morning, with officials ensuring that only those without the required permits were evicted. Vendors holding valid COVs were granted time to relocate their stalls to the designated vending zone on the top floor of the Muda complex as provided by the state government. Authorities have set the 22nd of July as the final deadline for licensed vendors to shift to the new location. The move comes in the wake of the state government's decision to declare Khyndailad a no vending zone as part of a broader initiative to decongest roads, improve pedestrian safety and transform the area into a pedestrian zone and music hub aimed at enhancing the city's appeal to residents and tourists alike. The spokesperson of the MDA 2.0 government, Paul Lingdor, informed that the department has completed the construction of 400 vending units within the Muda complex to accommodate eligible vendors. So far, 248 vendors have confirmed their relocation to the new vending zone.
ये तो मैं और ये क्या लगता है काम करता है आपका अभी मरने से ये देखेगा Licensing lagi bolong kok.
Ya, lagi apa tuh? Bagi licensing itu kan dia kan. Lagi yang karena siapa terkenal.
तो बने भी मिले चेक ऑफिस और जो बहे तो ये बना
Oh, ya kan bisa lihat sama.
है मनता ही लगा ऑर्डर बनले मनता ये पता है तो मिलले
हम लोग इधर काम का है सीखना पड़ेगा ना चलो आगे
licensing ये बगी सवान बन लड़ा सिंपल टिकट इन सवान लुम नada watong
Motor kan sini
ni klat di motor ngi lewat watong ni
motor kan sini balai pilihan ha kan motor balai pilihan luar tengah ini ha